Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg salad for dinner. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Place 6 to 8 large eggs in a single layer in a saucepan. Cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove the pan from the heat. Cover it and let the eggs stand for 10 to 12 minutes. This ensures a firm yolk. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Now that your eggs are perfectly cooked and cooled, it's time to prepare the creamy base for our egg salad. Carefully peel the hard-boiled eggs and chop them into nice half-inch pieces. In a medium-sized bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Then, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This combination creates a wonderfully balanced flavor profile. To elevate our egg salad, let's add some delightful flavor and texture. Stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. This provides a wonderful crunch. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion for a mild, savory bite. For a burst of fresh flavor, incorporate 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped chives. Finally, gently fold the chopped hard-boiled eggs into the creamy mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain some texture in the eggs. Your delicious egg salad is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve it in many ways: on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option, or with your favorite crackers. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or a few extra fresh chives. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.